The cryptocurrency market is about to get crazy. Just in last night's 60-minute interview, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell admits that, quote, in the long run, the U.S. is on an unsustainable fiscal path. The debt is growing faster than the economy. The reporter chimes in, well, I have a sense that that worries you very much. Jerome Powell goes, over the long run, of course it does. Listen.
Another economic hangover after the pandemic is a sharp increase in the national debt. 30 years from now, it is projected to be $144 trillion, or $1 million per household. Is the national debt a danger to the economy, in your view?
In the long run, the U.S. is on an unsustainable fiscal path. The U.S. federal government's on an unsustainable fiscal path, and that just means that the debt is growing faster than the economy.
I have the sense this worries you very much.
Over the long run, of course it does. You know, we're borrowing from future generations. It's time for us to get back to putting a priority on fiscal sustainability, and sooner is better than later.
Bitcoin and other investable crypto assets is a hedge against this. Bitcoin fixes this. Bitcoin looks bullish in the face of this. The cryptocurrency market could benefit from the anticipated Fed rate cuts in May. So much is happening in crypto. Let's go coin by coin, project by project. Let me update you. Get these altcoins on your radar. Doing big things. Solana. Chapter 2 crypto phone reaches 60,000 pre-orders. So Chapter 2 is the successor to Solana's hit crypto phone Saga. This reached 60,000 pre-orders ahead of its tentative 2025 rollout. Now, a lot of people are excited about the Solana Chapter 2 phone because they see it as a way for them to get first access to certain airdrops, like what happened with Bonk. And it really is impressive to witness Solana's tech nowadays. It's really impressive to see the Solana network process transactions through a record demand spike without a hitch. So the vertical line is the time of the Jupe token launch airdrop, and they handled it fine. Next up is to implement a coherent fee mechanism to improve the user experience, dynamic base fees to modulate demand, scheduler improvements to respect priority fees. This reduces the load on the network and RPCs while giving users better guarantees that their higher paying transactions will land instead of other lower paying transactions. Firedancer fixes this. Firedancer is Solana's big upgrade. Solana's founder, Anatoly Yakovenko, speaks on what Firedancer means for Solana on the Lightspeed podcast. Listen to this.
Firedancer is running on 8 cores, I think, and like 16 gigs of RAM. So the hardware requirements that you